Let's learn how to end a phone call politely in English. Ending phone calls politely is important, whether for work or personal calls. Here are 3 professional phrases to leave a positive impression. Phrase 1. It was great talking to you. Take care. This phrase is friendly and warm and works for both professional and casual calls. Phrase 2. I'll let you go now. Have a great day. This phrase is polite and considerate. It shows you respect the other person's time as much as you do yours. Phrase 3. Thanks for your time. Goodbye. This phrase is professional and simple. It's perfect for formal or business conversations. Conclusion. Try these phrases in your next phone call to sound polite, professional and confident. Which phrase will you use first? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe.